LCD interface can select arc starting mode, arc and fast welding 2T and 4T adjustment, pulse selection. After we bring up the main interface, we can adjust parameters such as arc starting current, upslope time, duty cycle, frequency, downslope time, and arc closing current. We can also select the welding mode on the left. In the video, the machine only has 4 modes to choose from: AC/DC, TIG and manual arc welding. After selecting the mode, you can also make specific adjustments to it. Our Allen LCD welding machines can all be adjusted in this way, which is more flexible than digital display LCD.